Hello everyone, Anticipate is going well. So here I'm gonna show you how to pin a page in Notion. So let me clear one thing. In Notion application, there is no feature that will provide you to pin a page or in a table. But yeah, we can achieve something similar, which is like to pin page. So I'm gonna show you this one up in the Notion application and up in the page. And at the right side, you will see a star symbol which is recovers add to your favorites, and simply tap on this option. At the left side corner you will see this option is top in your Notion. So it's not to pin a page in Notion, but it's almost similar, so you can do this process. And whenever if you think this is not necessary, if you simply tap on here, you can find this remove from favorites option, or either if you go to this place again, if you simply tap on this star symbol again, it will be removed from your favorite list. And there's a process how you can favorite or pin a page or table anything in Notion application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful and keep in touch with us.